Wait, don't skip this video. So the link to the model is hidden inside of that video. Watch it till the end so that you will eventually find out what the link to the model is. Also, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like and share this video. With that being said, enjoy. Alright guys, so in today's video, I have tried to recreate that GPO Shockwave, alright, so that rock Shockwave you guys have already seen. Arclight Studios has already made a video or giveaway on that, alright, so shout outs to them. I've just wanted to make a giveaway on that as well and a tutorial tomorrow on that as well. So as you can see, the shockwaves, they adapt to the ground, all right. So when you are on the sand ground, then the part upon those rocks, they become sand. Or when you're on ice or in magma or in grass, so those parts above, they adapt. And they even adapt when you are like in some kind of split environment. So let's say that your one feet is on grass and on sand, and while your other feet is on ice and on magma maybe. And even then, the rocks are able to, sense on what kind of ground you are, and then they just easily adapt. So in my opinion, a very, very cool release. I hope that you guys like it as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next video.